Make a safe and secure payments with a click. Get access to the best and responsive UI. Mobile, laptop, or a tablet, all are gladly accepted. Get access to your past transactions. And keep a tab on your spending. Income and expenditure analysis is made easy. Worried about paying dues on time? No more. Set reminders that are timely help for you. To pay all the dues and payments at the right time. Your wallet is secured with face recognition, so that even if your device is stolen, your data is encrypted with biometric security. All this and more on a single click. Head on to OWallet and get the best today. Subscribe and click the bell for all notifications.